Top 10 must-visit tourist places in Germany. 1. Brandenburg Gate, Berlin. The Brandenburg Gate is a defining symbol of Berlin and Germany's reunification. Constructed in the late 18th century under King Frederick William II. This neoclassical monument was inspired by the Acropolis in Athens. The gate was once part of the Berlin Wall, standing as a dividing line between East and West Berlin during the Cold War. Today, it represents peace and unity, making it a powerful historical landmark for anyone visiting Berlin. The square in front of the gate, Pariser Platz, is a bustling area filled with modern-day attractions, street performers, and the famous Unter den Linden Boulevard. 2. Neuschwanstein Castle, Bavaria. Neuschwanstein Castle, perched on a rugged hill in the Bavarian Alps, is the embodiment of fairy tale romance. Commissioned by King Ludwig II in 1869, the castle was designed as a personal retreat in homage to Richard Wagner, Ludwig's favorite composer. The castle's unique Romanesque revival style, with its towers and turrets, served as inspiration for Disney's Sleeping Beauty castle. Visitors are enchanted by its dramatic setting, surrounded by forests, lakes, and the stunning Bavarian Alps. Inside, opulent rooms adorned with murals depicting Wagner's operas further add to the castle's magical allure. A real-life fairy tale castle offering breathtaking views of the Bavarian Alps and a journey into the lavish lifestyle of King Ludwig II. 3. Berlin Wall Memorial, Berlin. The Berlin Wall Memorial preserves a significant part of one of the most infamous structures in modern history. Erected in 1961 to divide East and West Berlin, the wall stood as a symbol of Cold War tensions and the division of Europe. Today, the memorial stretches along Bernauer Strasse and includes a preserved section of the wall, watchtowers, and a visitor center. The memorial's outdoor exhibition tells the stories of those who lived on either side of the wall, and the many attempts to escape East Berlin. It's a deeply emotional place that brings to life the reality of life during the Cold War. 4. Oktoberfest, Munich. Held annually in Munich, Oktoberfest is the world's largest beer festival, attracting over 6 million visitors each year. While the festival is famous for its vast selection of Bavarian beers, it is also a celebration of Bavarian culture, originating in 1810 to honor the marriage of Crown Prince Ludwig and Princess Therese. The event has evolved into a 16 to 18-day extravaganza featuring traditional food, folk music, parades, and amusement rides. The heart of the festival is Der Zierwiese, where massive beer tents hosted by Munich's breweries serve liters of beer alongside pretzels, sausages, and roasted chicken. 5. Cologne Cathedral, Cologne. The iconic twin spires of Cologne Cathedral, Kölner Dom, dominate the city's skyline and have attracted visitors for centuries. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is one of the largest cathedrals in Europe, with construction beginning in 1248 and continuing for over 600 years. Its stunning Gothic architecture, particularly the vast stained glass windows and intricate stonework, is a masterpiece of medieval engineering. Inside, visitors can view the Shrine of the Three Kings, believed to house the remains of the biblical Magi. The cathedral's tower also offers panoramic views of Cologne and the surrounding Rhine River. 6. Black Forest, Baden-Württemberg. The Black Forest, Schwarzwald, is a region of unparalleled natural beauty in southwestern Germany, known for its dense evergreen forests, charming villages, and rolling hills. This region is the origin of many German folk tales. Visitors can explore quaint towns like Triberg, famous for its cuckoo clocks and waterfalls, or relax in thermal spa towns like Baden-Baden. Hiking trails crisscross the region, leading adventurers through thick forests, past crystal-clear lakes, and up to panoramic viewpoints. The Black Forest is also home to some of the finest German culinary traditions, including Black Forest cake and smoked ham. 7. Miniature Wonderland, Hamburg. Miniature Wonderland is the world's largest model railway exhibition and one of Hamburg's top attractions. This miniature world showcases detailed replicas of famous landscapes, cities, and even entire countries, including sections dedicated to the Alps, Scandinavia, and the United States, with over 15 kilometers of track and 1,040 trains. The exhibit is a marvel of craftsmanship and creativity. Whether you're a model enthusiast or just curious, the level of detail, from tiny moving cars to lights flickering in mini cities at night, will leave you fascinated. 8. Zugspitze, Bavarian Alps. Standing at 2,962 meters, Zugspitze is Germany's highest peak and a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. The summit can be reached by cable car or cogwheel train, offering stunning 360-degree views of the Alps and even glimpses of Austria, Italy, and Switzerland on a clear day. In winter, Zugspitze transforms into a top ski destination with perfectly groomed slopes, while summer months bring hiking and mountaineering opportunities. The glacier at the summit also hosts Germany's highest beer garden, where you can enjoy a cold drink while soaking in the majestic alpine scenery. 9. Heidelberg Castle, Heidelberg, overlooking the charming town of Heidelberg. This Renaissance-style castle is one of Germany's most romantic ruins. Originally built in the 13th century, it has been partially destroyed over the centuries, giving it a unique blend of grandeur and decay. The castle is home to the world's largest wine barrel and offers beautiful views of the Neckar River and the historic Old Town below. The surrounding gardens, designed in the 17th century, are perfect for a peaceful stroll, and the annual Heidelberg Castle Festival showcases performances in the castle courtyard. 10. Sanssouci Palace, Potsdam. Sanssouci Palace was the summer residence of Frederick the Great, King of Prussia, and is often compared to the grandeur of Versailles. Built in the Rococo style in the mid-18th century, the palace's name translates to "without worries," reflecting its function as a place of leisure. The palace is surrounded by extensive gardens, featuring ornamental fountains, terraces, and pavilions. The interiors of the palace are lavish, with richly decorated rooms and art collections, making it a must-see for architecture and history enthusiasts. Thank you for watching. Please like it and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more interesting content.